Good evening, students. Today we'll discuss some more examples based on inverse trigonometry function. In that, solve for x. But we have to remember the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. That is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Using this formula, today we'll do this example. That is tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is pi by 4. Apply the formula. We'll get tan inverse of 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 6x square is pi by 4. Then we'll get it is 5x by 1 minus 6x square is, by definition of inverse function, inverse will goes to right hand side, means it is tan pi by 4. And we know that tan 45 is 1. Then 5x by 1 minus 6x square is 1. Then 5x is 1 minus 6x square. We'll get 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Next 6x square, use the quadratic equation. 6x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Take 6x common, we'll get x plus 1 minus 1 common, x plus 1 equal to 0. Then we'll get 6x minus 1, x plus 1 equal to 0. Means we'll get x is 1 by 6 or x is minus 1. But actual value is x is 1 by 6. For that you have to verify or substitute the given x is 1 by 6. We'll get its value is pi by 4. That is verification. Okay. Next example. Sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x is 1. Take sin right hand side. We'll get it is sin inverse 1. And we know that sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Okay. Next, this is sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x. Sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x is pi by 2. But we have the standard formula sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Both are similar. Means compulsory, if sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is pi by 2, means compulsory the value of x should be 1 by 5. Therefore, the value of x is 1 by 5. Next example. Solve for x. Tan inverse 2x plus 2 cot inverse x is 2 pi by 3. Given tan inverse x plus 2 cot inverse x is 2 pi by 3. This is tan inverse x. 2 cot inverse x can be written as split cot inverse x plus cot inverse x. And we have standard formula tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. We are writing this one is as it is, cot inverse x is 2 pi by 3. Then cot inverse x 2 pi by 3. Take pi by 2 right hand side, will get minus pi by 2. Simplify, will get it is pi by 6. Then by definition of inverse function, we'll get x is cot pi by 6. And we have the formula value cot pi by 6 is root 3. Therefore, x is root 3. Next example. Solve for x. Tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2. Tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 is pi by 4. Okay. We have to use the formula again. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. The same, that is tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x plus 2, 1 minus x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2 is pi by 4. By definition of inverse function, inverse right hand side will get tan pi by 4. And this one is as it is, simplify. Again, take the LCM, will get simplified answer. That is 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is 1. Then 2x square minus 4 is minus 3. X square is 1. X is plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay. These are the examples based on solve for x. Now I will give the examples for homework. Try these examples. First one, cos inverse x is tan inverse 3 by 4, tan inverse 1 by 7. First apply tan inverse formula, simplify. Later onwards convert it is in the form of cos inverse. We'll get the answer. That is hint for the first example. Second example, cos inverse x pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 3. Hint is take pi by 4 as tan inverse 1. First simplify using the formula tan, and that tan you have to convert in terms of cos. We'll get the answer as the value of x. And third one is 2 tan inverse cos x is tan inverse 2 cosec x. Try these 3 examples. Thank you.